Okay, this is the funniest shit. Hold on, check this out. It's terrifying. Wait. Remember, this is Pokemon Yellow, so I don't have a Bulbasaur at all. Please hurry up. Hurry up, UA. I named my Pikachu Solid because my brother named his Liquid. This is really scary. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Alright, now we're trying the Hex FE. I'm really scared. I'm scared! Oh. Oh no. Oh! Wait, 4-4? 4-4? Level 255? 4-4? Ah, does the same thing. Okay, this time it brings me to Miku Ball, though. That's cool. I'm about to that was scary. I did not like that very much, so I drew my reaction to it. I'm terrified. Really, I really am terrified. Why don't we try a random hex code this time? 69. Nice. I'm scared. It's probably just gonna be... That's not Vaporeon! No, that's not Vaporeon. Wow. Ba. I'm a sheep, bitch. Let's try Ba. Whoever this glitch Pokemon is, I'm making them into like a sheep glitch Pokemon. I mean, it kind of all depends on their color. Oh! Oh, it's just Gloom. Okay, Gloom is a sheep confirmed. Fair! Let's make it fair. Anywhere in the F region has to be a glitch Pokemon. There's no way it isn't. Well, I hear the telltale sign of beeping. Oh! Okay! That was terrifying! Okay, I'm trying that again, really. I want to try that again. What glitch Pokemon is that? I need to know. Hold on. Alright, let's see. FA. Okay, I was gonna say this shouldn't be in too many places, but, like, okay. We're looking for Hex FA, you dummy. Nearly there. Oh, there it is. Glitch Trainer, huh? It's male symbol? 4-8, male symbol, wow. To think TM50 is one of my favorite moves, like glitch moves. Huh. More random hex codes time. Alright, let's do that. This time it's E. It's EE. Ooh, that's not Koga. P4. Player 4. Oh, it's got a cool spray, not gonna lie. It's level 44 though. I probably should have thought that through. Maybe it wouldn't be the best idea to fight glitch Pokemon. Let's just try Thunder Shock. Shit, bro. Sleep Powder is really good. Oh, of course it uses Tackle. Now I'm knocked out. That's piss. Okay, hold on. I want a P4 now. Can I get one? I'm gonna try that again. This time, let's try Hex EF. It's like a P4's big sister. I don't know if we've done EF before, but I should find out very soon. Blaine, huh? Oh. It's tiny! He's just a baby! He's just a little baby. You can't do that. Okay, let's try ED. Wait, no, EA. EA Sports. Okay, this one is EA Sports Pokemon. Brock! I knew it. I knew it all along. He runs. Ow. Oh, that hurts my ears. Oh, he's level 10. This shouldn't be too hard. It's ground type. Why is it ground type? Why is it ground type? Alright. I have no more attacking moves. Yes, there is running from a trainer battle. Okay, fine, you bested me. And to end this video off, we're going for Hex FD, I think I set it to. Let's see. It's 94! Oh, it's a... Oh. Level 2... I thought that said 420, I swear. Let's try that. That works. I mean, literally, that's your only move, so I guess it works. You weakling! Wait, hold on. Oh, it almost knocked it out! That was pretty close, actually. Yeah, you're pretty great, Shirt. You... Okay. I'll actually end the video off now. Alright, well, I guess I'll end this video now. But I guess, bye.